How to install apps on Windows 11. So first method is very easy. Just go to the Microsoft Store and download it. I'll show you that. Microsoft Store, and let's say I want WhatsApp. And here you can see WhatsApp is an official app that is available. I can just click on it, click on get. It is going to download and install. So there is nothing I have to do other than this. Here you can see preparing to download, getting files ready, and it's installing WhatsApp for me. And here you can see it's done. So that is one way. Another way is going to your browser, and in the browser, for the sake of uniformity, we'll just say download WhatsApp for Windows. Let's go to download WhatsApp for iOS, Mac and PC, and I'll hit download over here. And what it's going to do now is actually download an exe file. So that is a file that will install WhatsApp for me. Exe is the extension for the application for Windows. So here you can see checking for updates. It's also consulted the Microsoft Store, and here you can see it is installed. I can just click on open, and that is it. I'm good to use WhatsApp now. So similarly, you can do that with any application you like. If you've liked the video, do drop a like, share and subscribe. That's how easy it is.